Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to create a Miniclip ID, keeping you updated on the current process. It's important to know that direct Miniclip ID creation is no longer an option for many popular games, like 8-Ball Pool. Instead, Miniclip has streamlined the account creation by allowing you to easily link your existing Google Play, Facebook, or Apple ID. This change, implemented a few years ago, aims to provide a much smoother and more secure experience for all players, ensuring your game progress is always safe. To get started, simply open your favorite Miniclip game like 8-Ball Pool on your mobile device. On the main screen, you'll find options to log in or sign up. Select the option to link your account using either Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. The game will then guide you through a few simple steps to authorize the connection with your chosen platform. This entire process is very quick, usually taking under 1 minute, and securely integrates your game data with your social or platform account. If you prefer, you can always start playing many Miniclip games as a guest. This allows you to try out the game without immediately linking an account. However, to ensure your progress is saved and accessible, it's crucial to link your guest account later. Simply go to the game settings, find the account or login section, and select one of the available linking options, such as Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. This step is vital for securing all your hard-earned achievements and game data. Having a linked account offers several significant advantages. Firstly, it ensures that all your game progress, including scores, coins, and items, is safely stored in the cloud, protecting it from loss. Secondly, you gain the flexibility to play your favorite Miniclip games across multiple devices, seamlessly picking up exactly where you left off. This also makes account recovery much easier if you ever lose your device. Plus, linked accounts often unlock exclusive in-game benefits and enhance your overall community experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.